So today we'll be doing an unboxing of the Gear 4 House Party Smart Dock. Now I already have a Philips dock, which I love and adore, but I came across this today in Asda, and it was down from 80 odd quid to £27. So there possibly could be a bargain here, and I'd never miss out on a bargain. So let's have a look what we get. User manual. It's good packaging so far. Here's the unit. Stuff like that. Pop it over here. So there you go. There's like a plastic cover. Slide that off. Let's have a look at the back of the unit. It's got a line in and a power input. Some buttons on the top. Roll it round. That's an aerial lead. It's like a black front with a little holder. It just says it takes all iPads, iPhones and iPods. It's a tad smaller than the Philips. Back to the box. We get in a remote control. Typical kind of cheap remote that is circulating nowadays. Still comes with a remote. Here we are. Different dock bottoms for your iPhone, iPad, and finally, I presume this is just your DC adapter. Let's have a look. Of course, we all know it is. There we go. Oh, much else in here. Yeah. Alright, just your adapter so you can use it in any country. Just the UK for me, please, sir. Okay, let's just undo this and we'll have a quick look at it. Just 1 second. I've had quite a lot of Gear 4 products before. They've all been rather good. Obviously with a price tag of £80 odd, we should be suspecting this is a good one as well. There's always proof in the pudding. Find out in just a second. If you've got any questions at all, just feel free to add them to the bottom and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. I'll let you know how I get on. Just 1 second, guys. So, alright. Not the best video, being blank, but here we go, nearly ready. Voila! So, there we go, plugged in now, powered up. So we use this iPod Touch as a demonstrator. It fits on some kind of iPod, it tells you at the front. So it charges it. Get the iPod back on. Slide to unlock. So there's an application that can be installed. We'll install it. It's called Gear 4 Smart Link. See that there? Look around the top. See what the buttons are. So as you can see there, there's an M, probably for memory. There's a power, equalizer, skip forward, skip back, sorry, skip forward, pause, minus and positive. I presume these are the volume. Oh, I see. That's not bad actually, is it? Let's just try some music. It's my son's iPod, so I'm not quite sure what's on it. Titanium. What's this? David Guetta. Right, so it's on now. So that's 35.
I'm talking loud, not saying much. I'm criticized, but how your bullets make us say.
Well, I wouldn't really describe it as a house party, even at 40.